All right, buddy, what we got going on here today?
Alrighty, brother. Welcome back to Silly House Performance. We got our buddy right here, John Espo. Does all our wiring for all our race cars, for everything. Only man I trust with wiring. Goddamn, I'm scared of wires. So basically, we got a Mercedes in. John, our wiring man, is gonna put in a subwoofer for this thing right here. Car is a 2022 Mercedes GLS, I think it's called. We're gonna be the first one to ever put in a subwoofer in 2022 of this year in this model. So we're gonna go head over to the audio store and get some wire and everything with John and see what we need and then head back. Alright guys, so basically you got the cabin air filter right here. There are a couple tabs on each side. Just do one lightly, pull lightly, not too hard so you don't break these tabs. Things are like so light, you probably could break them. But you want to disconnect the battery negative terminal.
Probably like 20-30 minutes. 20-30 minutes and then the car's fully uncharged.
There we go. That was the word, uncharged.
Uncharged. That's not the word, but it works.
Best Buy. Can't you read? You were just here. I need this thermostat in my car.
What that finger do?
I feel like a DJ.
Alright, so right here. So right here, we got the wiring kit. Got some tape, clean it up. We got a line output converter.
Link in description.
What are you working with, brother?
Taking the fuse box out right now.
Alrighty.
T20. T20.
Oh my god.
You got one to replace that?
Yeah, I have one.
Right here. That's where we're gonna get our power from. And we're gonna get our ground somewhere in here.
For being like a German car, I expected it a lot to be a lot like, you know, like annoying to work on. Mr. George is not feeling good
You
today.
got a footrest and, you know, churning the butter. Effective way of cutting open.
Getting active. Bro, taking everything out the box.
Well,
13 millimeter.
12.
13 millimeter. So here we go. Right there. We'll bring a 12 and a 13 just in case. Here you go, buddy. 13 and 12,
Thank you.
just in case. 12 mil?
13.
What do we got, brother?
And now we're gonna sand underneath this holder to make a nice little ground. Because if you cannot get a good ground on the painted surface, so you gotta sand it up with the only sandpaper you can find.
Yeah, it's not going anywhere.
Now the ground secured twice. Should have good ground right there. Sanded it. All right, it's time to find some speaker wires in here. I think it's these, but I'm just gonna double check before we start doing anything crazy, and then we gotta put the amp in.
Sounds good to me.
You need a 10 mil? I'll bring you a 10 mil.
You
put those bolts on?
No, I think it's this size. So right now we're just cleaning up, putting things back together, make it look factory. Now what?
I don't know, bro. I don't know about that. I mean, I don't know about wiring. You know, I ain't no wire person, but you know, I'll work on your car. But wiring, don't count on me for that one. I'll tell you that.
Is this mine or yours?
Mine.
There you go. It's kind of a tough location. It's gonna be hard to get the wires in. That's the only issue.
Yeah, true.
Kind of want to have it this way.
So the wire goes straight in.
Ground. We can even cut it down or leave the extra. That'll go right there. This will go.
Yeah, guys, got the Supra out. Psych, I lied. Got the Daily out. You know the vibes. So, I'm about to head over to Walmart to pick up a power probe for John. See if we got ground and power. And gotta grab a couple other stuff for John, and then we'll be right back at Silly House.
I tell you once, I'll tell you twice. I'm real street.
What we need right here. Take that bad boy right there. Got the goodies. Have arrived. Oh shit, George is up there.
Well, I mean, it's kind of your dad. Thank you.
No problemo, sir. What the fuck is this? This shit old? Hold on, let him melt. Show it off. What'd you just do, John?
Grounded the line out converter. We switched to a different brand. I don't even know what brand it is, but it's gonna do what we need to do. Easy install. We've only been at it for, what, like 15 minutes?
Damn, I can't find your face on this thing.
Only been at it for like 15 minutes now.
Damn.
How many?
What? 2 Ugga Duggas.
2 Ugga Duggas.
3. Couple more there. That's a wire tap.
Wire tab.
Wire tap. And that's gonna go in there. In here.
Somewhere there.
A couple of those guys.
That was an interesting motion. Yeah.
Relax, big guy.
Wait, I'm gonna review the diagram real quick.
It's always good to review before it's.
Oh, yeah. Perfect. So heavy. It's like.
I'm gonna throw this 12 volt.
Whoa, dude, 12 volts is so much.
12 volt.
That's a lot of power, dude.
Probably gonna put it.
She just wanted an update. You got an update?
Amazing.
Are we gonna hook up this sub?
This is for education only.
You got this. You can do it.
Looks like your welds.
Nah, bro, I don't got no bubble gum welds. Why you turn it down? I'll turn it down.
Bro, it's getting a little hot in here. There's a lot of dudes here.
Sorry.
You gotta be concentrated. You know we're the first people to ever do this on a 2022.
This is the put it together and pray it works right now.
Oh, honestly, I don't eat cookies. I really don't.
Yo, who you fooling, my boy?
Just me talking gibberish.
I said we're only 15 minutes in, but we've been here since like 12.
Bruh. It's alright. We'll cut it down to 15.
It's too late to apologize. I wasn't telling you to turn it off. I was just trying to sing along.
Yo, pause the music. It was just about to get good.
Yo, lights are usually on after you you disconnect the battery and put it back on.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
airbag and shit.
Yeah. But you can erase that with the scanner
Nah, you just leave it. It goes away.
after you drive it, right?
Yeah. We'll drive it until they turn off. If not, we'll reset them. So we're gonna test right now. You want to screw that screw again?
This one. This one.
Yeah. It's a good amplifier, but it's pretty difficult to work with.
Wait, what are you gonna do with the switch that's over here?
That's for later. Alright, you want me to do the battery or what?
You look back here if you need anything.
Hey, George, come here. It's about 5 minutes later from the last clip, I want to say. We're just working inside a B-pillar right now. We had to find some different wires to work with, so we switched our approach to the B-pillar. About 5 minutes ago, though.
5 minutes ago, yeah.
Clean it all up.
Yeah.
Make it look
Ran
pretty.
those wires through the V-pillar right there. All to the, what is this called? The converter?
Yeah.
Right. Straight to the converter. So yeah. All right, guys. So basically, John over here figured everything out. We're all ready to go.
It's only took us 20 minutes.
20 minutes to wire everything up. So now we're just gonna clean up everything, make sure the wires look good, zip tie everything up.
In all
tape
reality,
up.
though, if we did it right the first time, it would have only took a half hour. Hour to
Yeah.
half hour, if you know what you're looking for. But if you do it wrong, like we did a couple times, it takes a couple hours. But so this is what it looks like when you're trying to see if it works. We got exposed wires everywhere. 2 different kinds of wires over here. Wires going over there that we gotta hide. We gotta cut this down. Power wire, we wanna cut it short. Leave a little extra, but still cut it down. And then spare tire goes here. This is gonna get mounted under here with some foam, hopefully, so it doesn't vibrate. And then it should be all cleaned up.
All right, let's get to it.
Let's get her done. We'll see you guys in the next clip when everything's actually
In
finished
only
up.
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
5 minutes, that's it. There we go. She's like all wrapped up. It looks good, as you can tell. I wish we show you the wiring. We zip tied everything. Everything looks good. No issues.
You're joking, bro. It's actually how it was?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh.
Guys, we're all done.
Yo, put on brake hold.
All done, ready to go. All right, guys, definitely come back for more videos. John will definitely be more videos when it comes to wiring and everything. But that's all for today. Come back next time. See you later. Silly House Performance out.